Okay, traders, I just want to note one last thing, and this is Nissan. And my reasoning behind it is because if you look here at the 5-year graph, it's actually at a steady stock price of $19 through $20, which is not too bad, but it started dropping near 2018. If you see it, it starts slowly but surely dropping all the way until April 2020, which is about about now. And the stock is currently at $6.50. And then, I'm sorry, it was current price is $9, but I actually see this stock going back up to maybe where it was, if not um, going up to $15 or so. And my reasoning behind it is because Nissan is actually planning to release more electric car vehicles. It currently has one, but it's the Nissan Leaf, and it's starting at 31 $600,000, which is pretty cheap, pretty good price for the average American. And it says as low as $24,000 because I believe uh, if you get an electric vehicle, it's $7,000 off your taxes or something like that. Um, just because you're switching over to an electric. So I guess America really does want people to switch over to electric car vehicles, since it's going to be the future or the next step into the future. And if you look right here, it says Nissan Motor will launch 12 electric or certified vehicles by the year of 2022, which is pretty dang sweet, huh? Um, they made a whole article on this. Look, this is one of the vehicles they plan on releasing. Another one. This is another model, which is pretty dang nice, but um, I do definitely see Nissan going up to at least $15 back. Definitely worth getting a few stocks right now before the price goes up. But that'll be all for today, guys. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you.